What are you doing, Gabriel? What's in there? Open up the lid all the way. Open up the lid all the way. All the way. Good job. What? Did the cup fall in there? Is that the cup? Do you need help? Gabriel, get the dog food. Get the dog food, please. Do you need help? Sweetie, do you need help?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's go get some. Okay, close it. Did you close the lid? There, look at the lid. Okay, you ready? Come on. Go. Go ahead. What do you have there, Gabriel? All done?
About to.
You want to get water too?
Yeah.
How much water do we need, Jeff? Can you tell?
Oh, no.
Huh?
Yeah, just give a couple ounces at most. Good.
Okay, here you go, sweetie. Gabriel. Who's that for? Who's it for? Who? The water's for who? Achilles? Okay. Slow down, sweetie. Go ahead. Good job. Oh. Oops. Okay, all done? Gabriel, all done?